Everybody, today in this class we will discuss about ALSIF ladder. What is ALSIF ladder? It is a selection statement which select one out of multiple statement. It is also known as ALSIF staircase because of its appearance. ALSIF ladder provides us option to select one statement out of multiple conditions. It is used to handle multiple conditions. Conditions in ALSIF ladder executes from top to bottom. As soon as a condition returns true, statement associated with that get executed and rest of the condition will skip. If none of the condition returns true, then the last else part statement will execute. But it is one thing to keep in mind, else statement is optional. It is not compulsory to add else statement after every ALSIF ladder. It is an optional statement. ALSIF ladder is created by adding if statement after else statement because we cannot put a condition directly inside else statement. Else is unable to hold a condition. If we want to put condition in else part, we have to add if along with else, then we can place a condition over there, and by doing this we can create ALSIF ladder. So what is the use of ALSIF ladder and how we can solve our problem with the help of it? We will look we'll do it practically today. It is the syntax of ALSIF ladder. We can look here. It is first condition. If this condition is false, in else part we will add one if, and along with this if we will add a condition. If this part is also false, again in next else we added one if along with the condition and created a block, and same process we can repeat number of times. There is no limit on repetition. This else is the last block. It is optional. We can add this block or not. It's depend on the situation. Now to do it practical, we will solve an example. This is example 1. In ALSIF ladder I will teach you 3 examples one by one, but these 3 example I will teach you in 3 videos. So in this video I am explaining example 1, and all triple videos will be different to each other, means triple topic will be different to each other whether they are topic of else if ladder. Enter marks of 3 subject and check the ranking of student according to given slab. Here is a slab. If a student got 60% marks, so we'll say he got first division, his ranking is first division. If he got 50% marks, his ranking is second division. On 45% score, his ranking will be third division, otherwise below 40 he will be fail. So we'll do a program here. First of all, we'll import util package for scanner class. Now I will take a class marks test. Here we will take main method and we will make an object of scanner class. Now we will ask the user to enter 3 subject mark. Now I will do total. And for percentage, we'll take a variable percentage and we'll calculate percentage like this. Now we'll apply condition if percentage is greater than equals to 60. We will say student got first division ranking. Else if percentage is greater than equals to 50, his ranking will be second division. Third condition is this: else if percentage is greater than equals to 40, then third division, else he will be fail. Else will so fail. So first of all we will save this program. We'll go to file, save, my computer, C drive, JDK and bin folder. We'll save this along with class name marks test.java. Open command prompt, go to root directory, open JDK, open bin and compile java marks test.java. Run this program, marks test, enter. Enter 3 subject marks. If I write 90, 80, 98 first division, for second division we will take 55, 54, 51. For third division we will say 45, 44. Oh sorry, by mistake I write wrong. 45, 49, 44 third division, and below 40 it will be fail. So this is the demo of else if ladder. First we place a condition with if, and after in else part we put if condition again along with if statement. So like this we can make else if ladder. I hope this video or this class will be clear to you. If you have some problem, you can ask me through comment. And if this video is helpful for you, you can like this video, can share this video, and can subscribe my channel for more videos. And if you want to study more videos of this topic, link of all those videos of this chapter I will provide in the description of this video. Besides this, if anybody want to learn these tutorial in Hindi, these are also available in Hindi in my on my second channel. Link of that channel is also present in description, and I will provide an exercise of else if ladder. You can solve that exercise yourself so that you can learn more. Thanks for watching.